Hi there, it's Mark Sebastian, the founder of Option Pit, and this is the Vol Report. Reminder, this is for education purposes only, should not be considered investment advice. Options do have risk. Well, here we are, and a little bit of a rally yesterday. We had a nice rally off of, if you look at a tick chart, it doesn't look like a great pop, but on a 2-day, you can see how low we are off the bottom. We're a full 31 points higher from the bottom. Yesterday's low was 267, 26.76, and we're 31 points higher. So, and really at our lowest, we're only down about 40. So we're really only, if you look, we're only 15 points off of the pre-sell-off close. So, yeah, not a crazy rally, and certainly the Dow looks a lot worse. The Dow definitely took it harder than the S&P yesterday. But you can see that really the other pieces, the NDX is super strong, and as is IWM, which is now up even harder and is at an all-time high again. It's been really strong. Our trade that we did in our, the trade that we have on is going to be really nice. The trades that we have done. IWM is just crazy strong. So it's going to be hard for the whole market to melt down while the Russell 2000 is exploding. So kind of interesting how that's being set up. Meanwhile, if you look at vol, VIX is off, but not crazy off. $1.25. So it's back below, kind of that crazy spike level. I wouldn't be surprised to see it drop lower. I think the Europe issue, look at EFA, the Europe issue is an issue and is scary, but it's not nearly kind of the crisis that I think a lot of people were making it out to be. I think even Italy is recovering. You can see Italy looks much higher today. So if Italy's going to be recovering throughout the day and bonds are going to settle back, which they are, then today what I'm going to be looking for, I will definitely be looking at TLT and IEF to see if I can come up with a fade trade. I don't think that yesterday's explosion is merited, but you never know. And we'll spend a little time playing around with obviously the major indexes, but I think bonds are an interesting play for things falling back. But watch if things do get soft. Follow that IWM, follow that RUT. If that starts to soften up, then the whole market could. But you're not going to see this thing exploding 1% higher and see the market down on the day. It ain't going to happen. Finally, oil seems to finally have backed off. The dollar had such a strong move. I think XLE is going to be one that I'm going to be playing to rebound as well, although it already has rebounded a little. So that's another name to keep an eye on. All right, folks, we have a lot to trade today. Should be a fun day. Hope everybody has a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.